high storage to the corresponding storage space. The storage time of a single bottle is less than 15 seconds. The solder paste adopts the first out principle. The system will automatically take out the solder paste for hours in advance. Put it in the tempering temporary storage area for tempering. Spaces are available in the meet the needs of different users. Solder paste stirring. The system automatically stirs the solder paste that has been heated back. The equipment can independently set the stirring time and stirring speed. Stirring adopts revolution plus rotation mode. The mixing information is displayed synchronously with the main interface. Then put the solder paste into the temperature recovery temporary storage area for later use. The solder paste collar system shows that solder paste can be used. The operator receives the solder paste according to the information, the corresponding solder paste according to the instructions. After manual collection, the shipment is completed.